Hey guys, welcome back to Caddy Girl Garage. So you guys can catch the video from earlier today of us rebuilding the master cylinder. I thought we were done, but my dad wants to trudge on. So right now we're going to be finishing up the radiator parts. He went and got a different hose for it and the other brake line that got broken. So we're going to finish that all up right now. Everybody's been saying lately, oh, I hope you keep the 48. Well, I sold it. It happened today, actually. It's been in the works, I should say, but the guy actually paid for it today. So we're just finishing up the work, and then it'll be on its way to Arizona. A very nice older gentleman who says that he absolutely loves it. And as I said in my video earlier, don't know if you guys caught it or not, we have 2 other new surprises coming. So that's that on this one, and the other 2 look like they're going to be actually part of the collection to keep. So anyway, let's finish up on this radiator. All right, so we have all of our new radiator hoses on. Yes, I'll be cutting the tails off those clamps. Those clamps were way bigger than what we needed. Got the new hose on the bottom down there, new petcock valve in the bottom of the radiator. So everything's all new and fresh there. Time to fill it up soon, but for today, that's gonna be the end of the video. My dad is back under the car right now running the new brake line, the new hard line. So I'll make another video when we go to add the fluid to the master cylinder and bleed the brakes. Have a good day, everybody.